Okay, this is our HDB resale index. Okay, right? Every year. Okay, 2020, 21, 22, 23, 24. See the numbers, right? So which year the property market for HDB start to come back? 20, 20. Am I correct? Right, 2020. Can you all take out your calculator? First time, speaker, you can take out phone on. Calculate from 2020 to 2024, how much has the property market goes up for HDB? 42.7. The answer is 42.7. Scary or not? Over how many years? 5 years. 5 years. Over 5 years, HDB market went up to by 42.7%. First question: does the middle income people because HDB for the mass market, correct? Does the medium income or the lower medium income people earn salary increase by this amount? No. Is this a problem? Is this a problem? But how come market can still go up this way? You all understand, right? Next, why this trend? Okay, first of all, what do you see first? What do you see? Drop up. Prices drop up, drop. Okay, this is like normal cycle, Okay, what else do you see? You see correct? Go up, drop, right? And then what do you see? Trend up. Who say trend up? Okay, what do you mean by trend up? Higher high, higher low, correct? Why is it like that? Why can it be like that? Why can't you form low, 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 low? Stock investment, correct? Can form low, low, correct? Doesn't mean always like that, Right? Hey, really something very interesting, This is from 1994. Earlier I also don't have. Okay, because they start the index then. Then do you realize another thing? It falls and then what happens? Stabilize for long or short? Quite long. You see the HB trend? It goes up, come down, then stabilize very long, right? Go up, come down, then stabilize very long, right? So do you want to stay in the very long and then wait for your property to go? Or you want to wait very short? Do you want your property to be very stable? 不起也不下. Not yes, also not wrong. But you like that? Or do you like your property to always like vertical one? It depends on what you want, alright? So if you look at this trend, what I observe for HDB that it goes up stagnant for a very long time. So today, do we see another big run up? So what is going to happen next?